What's the meaning of classification? Classification. Classification.
Classification. Classification. Classification refers to the process of categorizing data into different groups based on their characteristics or attributes. It is a commonly used technique in machine learning and data analysis where the goal is to identify patterns and make predictions based on those patterns. The result of classification is a set of categories or labels that allow for easy organization and interpretation of large amounts of data. For example, a classification model could be used to sort customer data into different segments based on demographics, buying behavior, or other criteria to inform marketing strategies.